Today, hi glorious, glamorous beings. Today we are talking regarding changes, okay? Everything is greatly positive, changing and progressing. So instead of resisting to change, because sometimes your mind is resisting change just because it's something unknown, something new, and there is resistance is something natural, okay, in the whole universe. The trains, in order to move, they need resistance. It's mechanics, okay? In science, two things need to be in touch with each other, okay, so that the wheel is going on, and you are advancing and you are moving. So it's great, even when you think that something is not progressing, moving and positively changing. Actually it does always, because everything is energy, and imagine that emotion is energy in motion, so everything is moving, and even when you are still, your body is still, everything is positively changing in your favor always when you have a great positive attitude. So be grateful for everything you have and happy because everything is happening in your favor, darling.